Today we're going to do an oil change on a 2013 Chevrolet Traverse. Alright, first thing you're going to want to do is lift the vehicle up on jack stands. That way you have access to crawl underneath. Alright, and here are the basic tools you'll be needing to perform this oil change. Catch the oil, sockets, oil filter removal, an extension for this. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we're going to be using a size 15 socket to remove the oil bolt. Alright, and go ahead and break it loose. Alright, go ahead and grab your oil catch pan. And then after you break it loose, go ahead and take off and just go ahead and remove it by hand. And this will be a perfect time to grab some rags just in case you spill a little bit of oil. Here we go. Oh, it's almost falling out. But I can't push it because I have my jack stand in the way. There's coming down now. Jeez. See what I mean? So that oil drain all the way out. Alright, perfect time to clean out the bolt with a shop rag or paper towel or any kind of rag. Go ahead and clean that off. And we're pretty much done. Just wait a little bit longer and get all the oil out. Alright, that's pretty good. Let's go ahead and cap it off now. Go ahead and put the bolt back into its place. And let's go ahead and tie it down, but not too tight. Perfect. Alright, so now what you want to do is kind of line this up where your oil filter is at. The oil filter is located right there, right behind the AC compressor, that one, and this bracket here. So right there, that little white spot, right in there. You can see there it is, that filter type of deal. Anyways, go ahead and line it up there to catch the oil, and we'll go up the vehicle just about there, I guess, right here to here. We'll go up top and remove the filter. All right, and there is our oil filter. There it is. So let's go ahead and try to reach in and remove it. All right, and I have my arm all the way in here, and thank God it's not that tight. I'm able to loosen it up. I'll go underneath to see if I'm catching it, and I am. Sweet. So I'll continue to take it off. Here it is. Let's move my light over here. Get some more lighting. There it is. Put it up right, like so. And there it is. This has a little spot for the oil filter right there. Perfect. Sweet. So let's go ahead and install the new one. Before you install the new one, you want to make sure the filter came out, and it did. There it is. The filter, the seal for the filter. Perfect. So let's go ahead and grab our new filter. Let's go ahead and grab a little bit of new oil. Set this down so I don't drop it. Let's go ahead and put it all around the seal for the filter. Let's go ahead and slap on that filter. Alright, just kind of remember where it went and go for it. Just kind of feel around till you find it. I'm trying to screw it on right now. Alright, there I got it. Screw it all the way as tight as you can. And then what I like to do is grab the same rag I've been using. Just grab the filter with it and continue to tighten it. That's good enough. Alright, let's go ahead and add our oil now. Alright, now let's go ahead and add our oil. This takes 6 quarts. So let's go ahead and remove our oil cap. There it is. Whoa. Set that to the side. Add our funnel. Add our oil. And I like to lay it flat. That way, I always make it Yeah. And go ahead and add the remaining oil. See what I mean? I don't even have to hold that sucker. Just tip. Yeah, boy. So go ahead and add all of the 6 quarts. Alright, and what I like to do is grab the funnel and put it in here. And we'll throw all of our old oil into here and take it to our nearest recycling center. Let's go ahead and cap this off. Let's lower the vehicle. Alright, and there it is, and you're set. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.